unleashing the nuclear demon, the untold impact on Earth and space. This device had the potential to set the entire planet ablaze. On July 16, 1945, suspicions turned into reality as the makers unleashed the nuclear demon in the form of Trinity, the first atomic bomb detonation. Contrary to fears, the world did not descend into chaos. Yet, the illusion of taming the nuclear demon persisted. In this video, we explore the aftermath of an underground explosion, its impact on outer space, and the surprising destructiveness of nuclear tests. Explaining the Nevada test site. 75 years ago, just 100 kilometers away, the Nevada test site witnessed flashes of light that could blind onlookers. Starting in the 1950s, the military conducted around 1,000 nuclear tests, venturing into new territories. In 1957, the military decided to experiment with underground explosions. The Pascal Aid test, conducted 150 meters below the Earth's surface, involved a small 29-kilogram bomb. However, expectations went awry as a pillar of flame burst from the ground, revealing an unexpected power of 50.5 tons, 50,000 times greater than predicted. The military, undeterred, proceeded with the Pascal B test, sealing the mine exit with a robust 90-kilogram iron cap. To their surprise, the explosion, with a yield of 300 tons, knocked the cap at an astonishing speed of 66 kilometers per second, 6 times higher than the Apollo program's escape velocity. This cap, propelled at incredible speeds, could have been the first object to travel into space on behalf of the U.S. in 1957. However, it vanished into the atmosphere, not becoming the historic space traveler it could have been. While the cap's fate remained a mystery, the unleashed nuclear demon continued its ominous journey. On American soil, locations like Bikini in the Marshall Islands bore witness to the warming up of this destructive force. As we delve into the repercussions of nuclear tests, it becomes clear that the nuclear demon, once unleashed, had far-reaching consequences on both Earth and space. In July 1946, the U.S. military conducted nearly 24 nuclear tests in the region, specifically as part of the Baker nuclear test. A fleet of 90 target ships was assembled off Bikini Atoll to examine the consequences of an atomic blast at sea. The bomb, attached to the bottom of a landing ship, was lowered to a depth of 27 meters. The explosive yield of 3 kilotons shattered the ship into atoms, creating a water column as high as 2.5 Burj Khalifa towers. The impact triggered a tsunami, claiming 9 target ships. Unfortunately, the remaining fleet faced heavy radiation, leading to the sinking of all ships. Despite the challenges, military excitement prevailed. 6 years later, at the neighboring Eniwataka Atoll, a device designed to enhance the nuclear demon's power was tested on November 1, 1952. Codenamed Ivy Mike, the test released 10.5 megatons of destructive energy, equivalent to 400 Baker tests. This marked the first American thermonuclear bomb, emphasizing fusion's role in creating a more potent force. The mushroom cloud from Ivy Mike rose to an astonishing 37 kilometers into the skies, almost as high as 2 Manhattan Islands. The colossal power virtually evaporated the atoll and contaminated the surrounding area with 56 kilometers of fallout. 3 planes were sent to collect air samples from the dangerous cloud. 1 pilot never returned, devoured by the nuclear demon. The remaining planes returned with samples revealing 2 new chemical elements, einsteinium and fermium. Meanwhile, another nuclear demon gained strength halfway around the globe, posing a greater threat. In 1955, the Semipalatinsk test site in Kazakhstan witnessed a Soviet demonstration of destructive supremacy. Using the RDS-37 hydrogen bomb, the Soviets showcased their power to the world. During the test, a Tupolev Tu-16 bomber faced equipment failure at 12 kilometers above the ground, leading to a risky emergency landing with a fully armed thermonuclear bomb. Ignoring ominous signs, the Soviets proceeded with RDS-37 2 days later. The resulting mushroom cloud reached 12 kilometers, higher than most passenger liners. Despite the medium power yield of 1.6